Welcome to Mac with me, Meg Allen Cole, a home decor expert. I have years of experience of pulling together beautiful spaces. I absolutely love the process and I love great design. I don't love wasting money when I could be saving it instead. Don't we all want a room that looks like a magazine spread? But who has that kind of money? Not I, and perhaps not you. So when I was pulling together our beautiful bedroom that looks like a sanctuary, I used a lot of money-saving tips that I would love to share with you. So as you're watching the video, be sure to fill in the comments on what your favorite money-saving tips are, be it in this video or your own. Here are 9 money-saving room decor tips to help you create the space that you love without breaking the bank.
When creating a collection of art, first look to family pieces and build from there. This photograph once belonged to my Oma, and it was given to me and inspired the Palm Springs aesthetic that I built the room from. This oil painting came from the same source, and now I have 2 meaningful high-end pieces of art for our room. Hang and display postcards with IKEA frames. I got these minimalist postcards for free from Need Supply along with a purchase, and I already had the frames. To round it all out, our bedside art pieces were both thrifted. One from a New York City flea market, one from a thrift store. I coveted this expensive rattan mirror from Anthropologie and stalked it like prey until it went on sale, and then I went in for the kill. It is the focal point of the whole room and was worth every page refresh. When my thoughtful mother-in-law saw the mirror, she then offered this rattan plant hanger to us for free from her beloved aunt. Family meaning and a free gorgeous vintage find? Yes, please. If you find yourself in love with Milo Bauman chrome lamps like me, you'll learn that they can go for up to $500. Or you can scour Etsy and eBay and find one for under $150, like this timeless piece that will last forever. Combine the high-end chrome with matching low-end sconces like we did with this pair for only $15 each. Chosen by color and shape and importance, a collection of thrifted, gifted, and inherited vessels hold jewelry and important gems. The collection of baskets that keep our clutter corralled were all hand-me-downs and thrifted. Thanks, Mom! Scour favorite stores for big sales, especially around the holidays. Our mid-century inspired cozy bed saved us hundreds of dollars by being on major sale at West Elm. And voila! With these helpful tips, you've created a beautiful bedroom on a budget. Be sure to check out my video on how to make your bedroom into a sanctuary oasis where you can escape.